my name is Camille Horvat, and I am a lecturer researcher in economics, and I am the head of the Sustainable Food Chain major. This major aims at giving agricultural engineering students the tools to understand how food supply chains are built and how we can make them more resilient from farm to fork and across territories. This major is important nowadays because food products are unique. Food products are seasonal, they are perishable, and they might be very complex to handle. For instance, you might need to know the cold chain to transport the products. And moreover, we are in a society in which there have been a recent health crisis. So consumers' expectations are changing and they want more traceability. And also in a global context, we are in a context of crisis, of climate change, of wars and so on. So there can be disruptions in the food supply chain, so it's important to know how we can build them to be more resilient and more sustainable, to ensure that we have a local food provisioning at all times. In this major, students learn hands-on skills on the whole food supply chain. So they learn about sustainable procurement, they learn about food and transport applied to food systems. They also learn about negotiating inside of the food chains and how to create values in these systems. And what is important is that they learn about different types of food systems, from global export-oriented systems to local short food supply chains, so they know the opportunities and constraints of both. Well, sustainability is at the core of the major. We study it at first at the company level, so we see how we can design logistics that is more efficient and also that reduce its impact on the environment. And we also study it at a broader scale. We see how we can create coordinations between actors, territories and policies in order to build more sustainable food systems. So the students work on real-life project, real-world project. For instance, they had to study a logistics crisis and to analyze it. They had to design a consumer survey and they had to analyze the data. They also learn how to navigate the legal framework, like the legal environment concerning sustainability and the contracts in the food chain. And we use a lot of simulations and role-playing exercises to make sure that they understand everything about logistics and negotiations. So graduates can apply to positions in the supply chain. So it can be a manager of logistics, it can be a cold chain manager or head of logistics in a company. They can also apply in positions regarding sustainability in the companies, so CSR manager, things like this. And they can also work with data, or they can work on the development of local food systems, for instance. So this major prepares students to understand and to pilot food supply chain in a way that combines operational efficiency with sustainability from farm to consumers and across territories.